Okay, so in this question we are learning how to draw concentric circles. Okay, question 3 A part I am doing. We have to draw two concentric circles, one with radius 3 centimeter, other with radius 4 centimeter. So you have to first choose your starting point, maybe like this. This is my starting point. From here I will mark a 3 centimeter point, which is here. This is my 3 centimeter point, and from the same point I have to choose a 4 centimeter point, which is here. Okay, using a ruler you will do that. This is my 4 centimeter point. After that you will take a compass, you will open it such that needle is touching the center and your pencil is touching the next corner, and then you will draw the circle. Concentric circle basically means circles having the same radius. So this is a circle I have drawn of 3 centimeter, but I also have to draw a circle of 4 centimeter with the same center. So here this one, you will just draw it, and then you will label it. Labeling is very important. So you will label it that this is 3 centimeter, and maybe this one center to the edge of the circle, this we call as the radius. So this radius was 4 centimeter. Now let's come to the B part. B part says I have to draw a semicircle, and semicircle means half of a circle, and they have told me that this is the semicircle whose diameter, this thing is 6 centimeter. This entire line, if you remember, it is called the diameter of the circle, and also I know radius is half of diameter, so that means radius is going to be 3 centimeter. So in this question I will draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter, but this time I will only draw half a circle. Semicircle means half a circle. So how to draw a semicircle? Again, radius is 3 centimeter, so I will choose any point, and I draw a point at 3 centimeter. This point, and this is my starting point. So I have 2 points, this one and this one. Okay. This time I will open my compass. I'll put my needle on the point I have chosen. I'll make my pencil lie on the other point. This is very important that your compass is open only this much, the needle on one end and the pencil on the other hand, and this time you draw half the circle. Only half the circle. Semicircle means half the circle, so I am not drawing the entire circle. I have to only draw half circle. Now since, if you remember, I had chosen 3 centimeters, so from here to here it is 3, this is also 3, so the total is 6 centimeter, and that's what they asked me to draw. Now C part is I have to draw quadrant. Now for quadrant of a circle, you should remember, quadrant of a circle means that the angle is 90 degree. So what I will do is, using a protractor, very important, using a protractor I will draw a 90 degree angle. So I have drawn this 90 degree angle using a protractor. After that, if you look at the question, it is given that the sides of the quadrant should be 4 centimeter. So first what I will do is, I will cut 4 centimeter on the horizontal and the vertical line both. So I will cut a point here, 4 centimeter, because it was given in the question, so I am marking this point, and 4 centimeter here as well, this one. So this is the point. After that, you will take your again compass, put your needle at the intersection of the angle or the vertex of the angle, and put your pencil on one corner, either this one or this one, you can put on any, and then simply join. This section that you have got, we call that a quadrant of a circle. If you want, using an eraser, you can erase the extra section, extra angle that you have drawn, and that's how they wanted you to draw. For the last one, it's a sector of the circle. Just like I said in the quadrant, the angle should be 90 degree. For a sector, the angle should be 60 degree. So using a protractor, I have drawn a 60 degree angle. Now in this question, they have not told you what should be the side of the sector. So I am not bothered about, like in the previous question, it was 4 centimeter, the sides. In this question, I am not bothered about the sides. So I can open my compass as much as I want. I'll put my needle again at the vertex of the angle. I'll open my compass as much as I want, and I will cut the angle like this, and the section that I get here is called the sector of the circle. Again, if you want, you can erase the extra section of the angle, and this is called the shaded area here. This is called the sector and this is called the quadrant of a circle.